Farm workers and their supporters are planning to protest two major companies Saturday at locations in Bonita Springs because of their refusal to take part in a program that fights sexual harassment. The Coalition of Immokalee Farm Workers is demanding that Wendy's and Publix take part in the Fair Food program, which the coalition says is working to end sexual harassment and violence at Florida farms. 4 New Corner's Carl Fortier reports on the reaction from Publix.
Well, Sam, 14 major food retailers pay an extra penny per pound for tomatoes as part of the Fair Food program, and that money goes towards protecting farm workers' rights against abuse. The Coalition of Immokalee Workers says Publix and Wendy's should get with that program, but at least one of them says that's just not their place.
Sexual harassment and assault are endemic to the agricultural industry.
And Oscar Ostoy of the Coalition of Immokalee Workers says farm workers in Florida and elsewhere have endured those abuses for decades. But since 2011, when the Fair Food program began monitoring sexual misconduct at farms in the U.S., the coalition has resolved over 2,000 sexual harassment complaints.
And though cases continue to happen, what is different under the Fair Food program is that the workers have the opportunity to speak out.
Unlike Wendy's and Publix, major companies like McDonald's, Burger King, and Walmart take part in the Fair Food program by paying an extra penny per pound of tomatoes. That money pays a third-party monitoring group to help put a stop to the sexual harassment that women farm workers have put up with for years without a voice.
We know that their peers are taking responsibility, and it's time for Wendy's and Publix to do the right thing and come to the table of dialogue.
In a statement, Publix says, "We believe it's the responsibility of our suppliers, including Florida farmers, to manage their own workforce, including paying wages and providing work conditions that comply with federal and state laws." Wendy's board chairman has said in the past that he thinks the CIW is exploiting the Me Too movement to advance their interests. The Coalition of Immokalee Workers and other supporters are marching in protest this Saturday at 11 a.m. from a Wendy's on Tamiami Trail in Bonita Springs to a Publix on Bonita Beach Road. In Collier County, Carl Fortier, Fox 4, in your corner.